Okay guys, we do a house tour now. So let's start. Welcome to our little house.
Welcome to our humble house.
Yeah.
It's small, but it's full of love and happiness.
Full of junk.
Full of junk.
We call junk guys kasi madami kaming mga gamit. So this is the entrance here. Look at that. The entrance, small apartment.
This is a studio. So there's no bedroom.
Yeah.
Our bedroom is right near the living room.
Yeah.
But we love it because it's cozy, small, and it's cheap.
Yeah. So guys, Papa.
Okay. Right. Cut.
Okay. So this is the living room. Look at our living room. This is our living room here. Look at the small living room.
Look at the picture frame. We got this in a furniture store, and it's kind of semi-abstract. You can see semi-abstract, but you can actually see a tree and sun leaf.
Yeah.
So it's not totally abstract, but it's called semi.
Yeah. Okay guys, this is our living room.
Sofa, and we got this cover on Amazon. It protects the
What's it?
sofa.
Autodas or what?
But look, the color is ugly. Look at the color.
Yeah.
It's ugly. So we put this nice and comfy. So
Yeah.
this picture frame, this is the vibration for financial to raise the financial vibration in the room. It's done by Teal Swan. Google her. She's very good.
Okay. So yeah. So they have the small.
Blind. They call blinds.
Yeah, a small window.
And they break
And
so
then-
easy.
Okay guys, this is our living room, right? So after the living room and this area is kitchen. Look at that small kitchen.
We got some free flowers from the grocery
Yeah.
store. Look how beautiful. Are these what? What kind of flower is this?
I don't know what is that.
They look like orchids, but they're not.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
I
And look at the
know.
roses. And they're real too.
Yeah,
They're
this is
not
a real
fake.
flower.
Yes,
So
they
yeah,
smell good.
so we have fruits there. So yeah, these are small kitchen
These are called margaritas,
margaritas.
I believe. Yes.
So look at the art. So this they have one window, and then that, and then
How you call that?
look at the people.
And this is Rochel's first drawing
Yeah, that's my draw.
when she was learning how to draw.
Yeah.
And come here, let's do the second drawing.
So you guys, this our kitchen. So Jose did that.
This is to vacuum, to seal, soak the food, and put in plastic and preserve it for a long time.
Yeah.
It's a food
This is good
service.
in the Philippines, guys. I bring this one to the Philippines, so I can use this one to the store.
And it seals like this, you see? And it keeps it for many months.
And years.
It takes all the air, and then you open again and you can recycle, reuse it again.
Yeah.
The
So
plastic.
yeah, our Yeah, rice cooker here, toaster, you know, blender, and then
The one is
Wow.
gas propane, and it has a thing to start, and then you start the fire.
Okay.
You gotta push a button there. Boom.
yeah, we like this guys because we like gas and real fire. I don't know, it's not real, but you know, we like gas than electric.
Yeah, we-
yeah, here like full of junk.
Look, John.
Because we don't have space, guys. That's why. About kitchen.
We are semi-chef. We cook a lot, and when I cook, I use a lot of tools, but we have no space. It's a small kitchen, but it's okay. And we love real fire. When you cook, real fire tastes better,
Yes.
and it cooks better than electric. This apartment came with electric, but we don't like it, so we got our own little gas.
We have shell here, beautiful, nice.
All my how you call that? My seasoning
Yeah.
things.
The one, okay. So this is small, guys. It's small kitchen. Look at that. It's nice, you know. Look at it. Small,
See?
small and messy. Yeah.
We have a lot of
We
apples.
try to organize, guys. So you know, so our staff they can, you know, they can fix it.
Apples to keep us healthy, and
Yeah.
we blend them with juice. Watch all the other video where we take this and turn it to juice.
So okay, guys, this is the kitchen, and then this living room, and then after that, this is my desk. Okay.
Look at the light. Look how beautiful. Isn't that cute?
Cute. So after the living room, guys, this is the room,
The bed.
bedroom. Our bedroom. They have stuff here, and they have a bicycle here. Like look at that, nice bicycle. Because we put here, guys, because we don't have space, so that's why we put here. So yeah, it's our bedroom. Look at that. It's cozy, guys, small, you know, but it's fine for us because me and Jose only here. So yeah, these are our closet. Is it wood closet?
Fake wood.
Fake wood.
Well, actually, this is real wood. Look
It's
at
a
that.
real wood.
Yeah.
Because it's heavy, guys.
Yeah.
It's a real wood. So
Look,
yeah.
it's more heavy.
And then we have our baby stuff here. Jose, he got this one, and then we go Philippines and we give to some kids, you know.
Yeah. God will tell me who's gonna get this toy.
Yeah, so okay. So there's another one there. It's a beautiful frame. We like that frame. Yeah, and then look at that here, you know. And then in the front of the bed, walk-in closet, this area. Look at that. Walk-in closet, and then for this one, this small room, this is for the map or like stuff, you know. And I put some clothing here too because the time we do laundry and it's still wet, and then I put here, yeah. They have a detergent. And then this door is for stock room. Look at this mess. Sorry guys, it's a mess. Ang gulo. Magulo siya, guys. Ayan. Mga shoes, mga stuff, or luggage, you know. So messy. Okay. And then next, guys. And then the bed here, and then we have the mirror here, this area. We have this box because we send some stuff to the Philippines. So we got 10 box here. Each one is 95. So yeah. And then this area is the restroom. Look at that. Look at the restroom. Small restroom, guys. We like it because it's small. It's convenient. So look at that. Go there. Yeah. And then Jose, he put clock because he like watching, and then they have small calendar there, and up here, look at that small. And then my stuff here. Look at that. And then they have room here for the towel, you know, our towel here, and then some stuff, soupy, and some tissue here, and then some detergent. Yeah, we like our restroom because it's so small, it's convenient. So yeah. Yeah guys, so that's it. So and then we have this one because if it's cold, this is nice, so warm. And then host is there, his desk for work. He work here. He work the area. Look at that. It's like kitchen. So guys, we pay this rent. This is more cheap. This is the cheaper here in US. Is that cheaper, Papi?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the cheaper here in US. Only like $4.50. Yeah, we pay $450. So does it mean in Philippines around like 20 around like almost 25, right?
1,000 pesos.
Yeah, we compute our own, guys. We pay this $450 per month. So yeah, like a apartment, a studio. They call it a studio, right? Yeah, this is a studio, guys.
Because I have no bedroom.
Yeah. Ito yung mura dito sa US, guys. Yung mga tao dito, guys, I think 50% or more.
Yeah.
People are rent only because the house expensive in US. Only rich people, guys, they buy a house, but we're not rich, so that's why. Yeah. Yeah. Almost here in US, guys, people rent apartment only because the house here in US is so expensive. You need to pay everything, you know. You need to have insurance, right? And then you need to pay every month, and then electricity expensive here, internet, and then yeah, that's it.
You have to pay water.
Oh yeah, water too.
And gas for the heating. Otherwise you
What are you
free.
eating? Oh my god, you eat apple.
I eat the apple. It's good.
Yeah.
And taxes too.
Oh yeah, you need to pay taxes too, guys. I need to file taxes too, even if I'm working only. We don't have a house here, just like apartment only. So I need to pay the taxes. So I tell you later on how much my taxes. That one too. That guy too. You need to pay the taxes.
Goodbye. And don't forget to subscribe.